I have tried before at the other agencies and I got nowhere. My floor was leaking. I was worried that it might fall in. I had a couple of neighbors buy. They was telling me it's gonna be so expensive and I only get an income once a month. And no one would be able to fix it.
Only had $15,000 that Habitat had out of their own funds to make these repairs happen. And this project was far more than a $15,000 project. All the joists were rotted out and our homes were possibly collapsing really, really soon. So we had to stabilize the home first. So company together with partners and finding the other Habitat fund, we were able to expand the budget.
The two people that they sent out was amazing. Miss Emma and Rodney. Oh, they worked so hard and so diligently in the professional work they done. So wonderful.
We demoed this first exterior wall and then this whole side came down. Then the second floor needed to be reframed on the outside and now the whole thing's resheathed. We're starting to demo all the stucco on the other side and then we'll have sliders come out and do their job.
We were able to give her a brand new kitchen that she can move around safely. And we were able to redo the outside of her home to stop water intrusion, as well as give her a proper exit to the backyard of her home that she can safely get out of her home.
Please share. Sharing is caring. And you will be helping people that's in need, low income people. Because the Grays Ferry area, now they're building new houses, but the rent is so high. You're not even able to afford them. So other folks are coming in. And people that's been here for years would love to stay in their own home without it being sold from under them.